HAAKE, let it be.
Top of the building, taking my shot at some niggas who hang on my block. Catching a body, niggas they hating, they faking, they got me my Glock. I got two bitches, they mad. She got two niggas, they sad. We bustin' that cap in their ass, waking the big and still gotta make cash. Niggas don't mess with mob. She wanna fuck the whole mob. That bitch a digger for gold. I left that business, I'm heating the cold. Shooting a gun at the fans. Look at that arc, he ran. Never mind what I just said. Blood on my teeth, no, that's red. Fuck what you said. You niggas is dead. Have people to tame. I try to stay humble, it's too late for that. Fuck what you said. You niggas is dead. Have people pretend. I try to stay humble, it's too late for that. They thought it was over. Dropped another one just to make cash for a rover. Taking a break in July, bringing the mouth flow back in October. Turning that bitch to a stoner, but she wanna fuck me over. Pinning down here from the bag. Not a 4 times, but I said it's not over.
Fuck what you said. You niggas is dead. Have people pretend. Machete came through for a night, we fucking. Light out the blunt. My smoke on some weed.
Yeah, my niggas just cap this beef on flee by the haters 1 degrees from how I don't talk about economy, rather misogyny. I really come on the face, then you the what, then you come out to this industry.
Rockin' this pink, watch like a king. Shawty wanna ride it still like a fiend. Myself some drugs and make her a zombie with some edges. She my queen.
Yeah, she my queen. I got issues with it, that's a low-hanging trace. Oh my god, you bring your value, that's my billions.
Tell your mom Jake is back with some real content.
If you got me like a modern Portuguese.
Shawty wanna ride me like a fucking king.
Watch you ride, you shit throwing like a pretty queen. Yeah.
Fuck what you said.
Yeah.
You niggas is dead.
Yeah.
Have people pretend. Machete came through for a night, we fucking. Light out the blunt. My smoke on some weed.
Yeah.